So if we're looking at solving this quadratic inequality, first thing we want to do is plot the curve. So we want to know, what does this thing look like? So we plot this quadratic. So how we're going to do that is we're going to factorise, so x minus 6x plus 3. So what are our critical values, i.e. the x values which makes that bracket 0, x is 6. The x value which makes that bracket 0, x is minus 3. So we know at those points it will cross the x-axis. It crosses the y-axis at minus 18, and then it's a smooth parabola. It's a positive parabola because it's y squared. And now what we're interested in is, where is this less than 0? So where, for what x values is y less than 0? For what x values is this curve below the x-axis? And it's these values here, because that's where the curve is below the x-axis. So this is true, this curve is less than 0, i.e. it's below the x-axis, when x is greater than minus 3, but less than 6 when it's in this range here.